Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Officers Reached Their Breaking Point with This Entitled Woman.
On May 31st, 2025, officers responded to a report of a possible domestic dispute.
What's going on? What?
Y'all can tell they saying nothing like this, bro.
Who's this and who's in here? Okay, well, one caught a flat because there's shit everywhere.
That's it. Nephew George, like I said, he called drug, bro.
You got your ID in your purse? You get that for me? What happened here tonight? I didn't ask if you had bruises on you. I asked for an ID.
Oh, yes, for that. I'm sorry.
Who's this other lady over here? Why is she all
That's my sister.
why is she so mad?
Because she's just upset.
Was she upset? Because we got called.
Here go my ID.
Thank you. We got called about male to female fighting.
Yeah, that was her and her husband.
Okay. Okay, I was making sure.
Not me and her.
Not you though?
No, not me and her.
Please clear your hold.
The fuck you in my car for? Man, shut the fuck up talking to me. I know my right.
Talking to your sister.
I
Ma'am,
don't give a what you talking about.
Ma'am, I need you to stay over here.
Man, you don't have to say shit to me. If that man didn't say nothing to me, you shouldn't be saying shit to
Ma'am,
me.
can you stay away from the car for me?
Man, what the my car, run it. Full coverage insurance, run it.
Stand over here,
Man,
please.
you better take your ass on somewhere.
Do we got her information?
Yeah.
I just ran her. I didn't get her she's spelling, so.
I said you didn't hit me. What the
We didn't say it was she hitting him. No, it's waiting on the return.
Yeah, that's all. Hey, bro, can they change it? Or no? All right, you can finish doing.
I'm still here.
Free my boy, man. They saying that she hitting him, man. Free him out that toxic situation, man. She seemed like she a loose cannon.
Because of you.
I don't give a what you gonna do. If I cut your white ass off, what you gonna do? Nothing. Nothing. Well, I call the mail on your mother ass. You can't do shit to me. How about that? Y'all ain't used to talking about y'all when y'all they know they right. You can't do shit. What you gonna lock me up for? Cussing you out?
Is there a photo attached to it?
Yeah, ain't nobody called y'all talking about nobody out here fighting. Just know it. I know what the motherfuckers do. You don't give a about those black folks. It's funny to you, man.
Is this just because of the drinking, or she always like this?
Oh, shit, don't talk to him. Walk your ass the away from him. Go find your white kids.
Damn, I'm stuck dealing with you right now.
You probably be grabbing just like Trump. Take you and your white girlfriend and get the away from you. Man, bitch, they in our bed.
Dispatch 531, who is our caller?
It's go time.
Falling back into Barcom.
They gonna get her together now.
Step up. Turn around. You're under arrest.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
We're gonna explain.
Nah, it ain't no wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Why should
Let go of it.
you can give it to my sister. I don't give a being aggressive with me.
Get her ass
I
together.
can't wait to call the judge on you.
You're under arrest for DUI and obstructing.
Okay.
We do a
That's
quick
fine.
search on her.
That's fine. I ain't got nothing.
That's fine. We still got a search.
Ain't nothing. Hey, you ain't even did no DUI search on me to say I got a
You are
fucking DUI.
highly intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Get back in the vehicle. Get in the vehicle.
Man, you just want
Get
to
in the
go.
vehicle.
You want to lock me up because I'm talking to your ass crazy.
And then you took off after I told you not to.
You didn't tell. I didn't
said
hear
stay
you.
away from the car.
I didn't hear that.
You did.
I did not.
You told me to f off.
No, I did not.
Lay back so I
if
can
I
put the seatbelt.
heard you
Lay
say
back.
that, I wouldn't have did that.
Lay back so
I didn't hear you
Lay
say
back
that.
so I can grab the seatbelt.
You can put the seatbelt on
I
me.
can't. I'm not. It's over there.
Because I didn't hear you say that.
Lean back.
Don't do that. See, I'm telling, I swear I can't wait to talk to the judge on you. Because I'm talking shit, you want to arrest me anyway. You want to get your ducats for the night.
No, I was hoping we could
'Cause
just
you
leave
coulda-
here peacefully.
You could. You ain't even tell me to do the walk around or nothing.
We don't need to do that.
Okay. I called the police and said that.
And you're under arrest for an active warrant.
Why? I don't have no warrant.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what we're waiting
Got
for.
them both together, boy.
Warrant.
Arrest them. We only got
We
two.
didn't.
My name is.
Yeah,
I
you
have no warrant.
do have a warrant. Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't. I don't have no warrant.
You do. They'll explain it once.
Wait, hold on. Was she the one saying that she called the cops? Hold on. Let me rewind this real quick. I think the sister was saying that she's the one that called the cops.
Okay. I called the police and said that.
And you're under.
Okay, she said, I called the police and said that. See? You gonna stop calling the cops, boy. You better stop calling the cops, boy. You got a warrant, you going to jail. You going to jail. A lot of times, some of the times or not a lot of times, but sometimes we see the person that actually called the cop is the one that's actually getting locked up. And I'm sorry, I keep looking at this screen instead of looking at the camera because I'm looking at the background and I'm like, damn, I like the new setup, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy, with the little pink, with the blue on the side. Cause you know, I had the orange with the blue and pink on the sides or whatever. But I you know, was fumbling with the lights and all of that stuff. And I'm like, okay, nice little setup. You know what I'm saying? Got my man Nipsey. Got my boy Chad, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy Kobe, you know what I'm saying? Heroes come and go, but legends live forever, man. That's what we saying right up top.
Arrest for an active warrant.
Why? I don't have no warrant.
Yep.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what we're waiting for to be honest.
I don't have no warrant.
Arrest them.
Look at
We only
that.
got
You called the cops and you going to
I
jail.
have no
You
warrant.
do have a warrant. Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't. I don't have no warrant.
You do. They'll explain it once we get up to the jail. Do you want to put it in my car? They're just going to ramp each other up if they're
This
together.
Oh
one.
no.
Dispatch 531, the Caitlin Jordan subject is 1095 on the warrant as well. Sir, step back. Step back. Get away from the car.
No, I ain't finna do nothing to the car.
No,
I'm trying to
just-
make sure they got the key. No, they
Just stay
good.
back.
I'm finna leave. I got it impounded. Y'all say y'all got it impounded.
I
I'm
kn-
finna go. Come on, bro. Let's go.
The Kiana Flowers is the 95 subject from the driver. Do we ever get a return on her?
That's waiting.
I'm about to. Yeah, I'm gonna leave with them just to get them out of here.
And I'm gonna wait until they come back, get them.
Okay. If one of you two just fill out a form for this card.
Yeah.
Essex en route.
They want to lock us up because we black. What you crying for? Jail. Oh well, we not getting charged with shit. They ain't got shit to lock us up on. Cause you crying. Somebody had a warrant. Man, these.
Dispatch
when they
531.
scare your ass. I'm trying to scare you. They Donald Trump kids.
Transporting 295s to the PD. Mileage 2978.5. 2978.5.
Me too.
The woman was charged with DUI, fleeing and eluding, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
She said, they Donald Trump kings. Listen, I'm a Trump guy. What's up? Like, Trump said, grab him by the... Nah, let me stop, man. But yeah, man, I don't know. I just feel like we can't get mad when white people say something racist, but we gonna turn around and say something racist about white people. You know what I'm saying? If a white person says something racist about a black person, we up in arms, hooting and hollering, oh my God, this is whatever. But then when a black person says something racist about a white guy or girl or whatever, a white person, it's just whatever. Just supposed to take it on the chin. Both sides shouldn't be saying nothing about that stuff. If you want to throw insults on somebody or whatever the case may be, throw your insults, make your jokes, say what you got to say. But the racist stuff, man, it's just like, come on, man. Ain't got nothing to do with him wanting to lock you up because you black or whatever. No. How about you're intoxicated? How about you took off from a stop? How about that? And for the other lady, even though the other lady didn't say anything racist or whatever, but take accountability. You got a warrant. So you did something to warrant you to get arrested. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, we just got to move on, man. Move on. Anyway, or not necessarily move on, but take accountability for your actions. Okay. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. So I'm giving them 4 out of 5. You know, her taking off like that, man, they could have really got crazy. You know what I'm saying? Luckily it didn't, but it could have got crazy. So 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.